Introduction ***. Welcome to Legit Consumer, your go-to channel for top tech reviews. In today's video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 best drones in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned aerial photographer or a beginner looking to capture stunning footage, these drones represent the best in innovation, performance, and ease of use. From professional-grade cameras to intelligent flight modes, each of these drones brings something unique to the table. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech trends and reviews. Let's dive into the top picks. Number 5. Robotics Evo Nano Plus. The Robotics Evo Nano Plus is a compact yet highly capable drone designed for enthusiasts and professionals who seek high-quality aerial photography in a portable package. Weighing just under 250 grams, the Evo Nano Plus is incredibly lightweight and falls under the weight category that requires no registration in many regions, making it convenient for hobbyists. Despite its small size, it packs an impressive 50MP camera with a 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor, allowing users to capture stunning high-resolution photos and 4K HDR video with excellent color accuracy and detail, even in low-light conditions. One of the standout features of the Evo Nano Plus is its advanced obstacle avoidance system, which uses three-way binocular vision sensors to detect and avoid obstacles in its path, ensuring safer and smoother flights. This makes it an ideal choice for beginner pilots who need an extra layer of protection during flight. Additionally, the drone boasts a flight time of up to 28 minutes on a single charge, giving users ample time to capture cinematic footage without frequent interruptions. The Evo Nano Plus also includes several intelligent flight modes, such as Dynamic Track 2.1 for automatic subject tracking, making it easy to follow moving objects or capture action shots with precision. With its blend of portability, performance, and advanced features, the Robotics Evo Nano Plus is a top choice for those looking to step up their aerial photography game. Number 4. Robotics Evo Lite Plus. The Robotics Evo Lite Plus is a powerful drone designed for enthusiasts and professionals seeking exceptional aerial photography and videography capabilities. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor and an adjustable aperture ranging from f/2.8 to f/11, the Evo Lite Plus excels at capturing stunning 50MP stills and 6K HDR video. This flexibility in aperture control allows users to adapt to various lighting conditions and achieve professional quality images, whether shooting in bright sunlight or low-light environments. The drone's ability to produce rich detail and vivid colors makes it a standout option for content creators and filmmakers. One of the key features of the Evo Lite Plus is its long flight time, boasting up to 40 minutes on a single charge, which is among the longest in its class. This extended flight duration allows for uninterrupted filming sessions and greater coverage without the need for constant recharging. The drone also comes with advanced obstacle avoidance technology, utilizing forward, backward, and downward sensors to prevent collisions and ensure safe flights, even in complex environments. The Evo Lite Plus offers intelligent flight modes such as Dynamic Track 2.1 for subject tracking and Sky Portrait for automated aerial selfies, adding to its versatility. With its combination of powerful imaging capabilities, long battery life, and intelligent features, the Robotics Evo Lite Plus is a top-tier drone for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography experience. Number 3. DJI Mini4 SE. The DJI Mini4 SE is a compact and lightweight drone designed for beginners and hobbyists, offering an impressive balance of features, portability, and ease of use. Weighing just under 249 grams, the Mini4 SE does not require registration in many countries, making it an ideal choice for those looking to fly without regulatory hurdles. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful performance with its 1/2.3-inch sensor, capable of capturing 12MP photos and stunning 2.7K video. This allows users to create high-quality content with vivid colors and sharp details, perfect for social media or personal projects. One of the key strengths of the Mini4 SE is its ease of operation, supported by DJI's intuitive flight controls and the DJI Fly app. With features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-tap landing, even novice pilots can enjoy a seamless flying experience. The drone also comes equipped with a 10 km transmission range, ensuring strong connectivity and real-time video feeds, even over long distances. Additionally, the Mini4 SE boasts a flight time of up to 31 minutes, allowing for extended sessions of aerial photography or exploration. For safety, it includes GPS-based features like Return to Home to automatically return the drone to its takeoff point if the battery gets low. Overall, the DJI Mini 2 SE is an affordable, user-friendly drone that provides excellent value for anyone looking to enter the world of aerial photography. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a cutting-edge drone designed for professionals and enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance in aerial photography and videography. Equipped with a groundbreaking triple-camera system, including a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera and 2 telephoto lenses, the Mavic 3 Pro offers unmatched versatility and image quality. The Hasselblad camera captures stunning 20MP photos and 5.1K video, delivering incredible clarity, vibrant colors, and precise details, even in challenging lighting conditions. The additional telephoto cameras, one with 3x optical zoom and another with 7x, allow users to capture distant subjects with ease while maintaining image sharpness. One of the Mavic 3 Pro's standout features is its advanced obstacle sensing system, which includes omnidirectional sensors that detect and avoid obstacles in all directions, ensuring safer flights. This is especially useful when flying in complex environments or for pilots who need to focus on capturing shots without worrying about collisions. With a flight time of up to 43 minutes, the Mavic 3 Pro also offers one of the longest endurance capabilities in its class, giving users plenty of time for capturing extended video sessions or covering large areas. The drone is packed with intelligent flight modes, including Active Track 5.0 for precise subject tracking and Master Shots for automated cinematic filming, making it easier than ever to capture professional quality footage. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is an all-in-one powerhouse, offering unparalleled imaging and flight technology for creators seeking the best. Number 1. DJI Mini4 Pro. The DJI Mini4 Pro is a top-tier drone that builds on the success of its predecessors, offering enhanced features while maintaining its lightweight and compact design. Weighing just under 249 grams, it's incredibly portable and fits easily into a backpack, making it ideal for on-the-go creators. Despite its small size, the Mini4 Pro packs a punch with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that can capture 48MP still photos and record 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second. This ensures crisp, vibrant visuals that are perfect for both amateur and professional content creators looking for high-quality footage. One of the standout features of the Mini4 Pro is its improved obstacle avoidance system. With front, rear, and downward sensors, it provides safer and more stable flight, even in complex environments. This feature makes it a great option for beginner pilots who want to focus on capturing stunning shots without worrying about collisions. The drone also boasts a long transmission range of up to 20 kilometers, allowing for reliable control and real-time video feeds over large distances. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, the Mini4 Pro gives users plenty of time to capture breathtaking aerial shots. Additionally, its intelligent flight modes, such as Focus Track and Master Shots, allow for automated cinematic shots with just a few taps, making it easier than ever to create professional-grade content. The DJI Mini4 Pro is the perfect balance of portability, performance, and ease of use, making it one of the best drones available in 2024. So that's wrap up our list of top 5 best drones in 2024. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Your support means the world to me. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below sharing your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the wonders of the world. See you in the next one.